Is the Toronto and the Greater Toronto Area housing market about to crash, or is it just a correction? That is coming up right now, so stay tuned. Hello, this is Sonia, your local realtor with Remax Realty Specialist. Welcome to my channel where we love talking about real estate and all things in and about Greater Toronto Area, and we would love to take you along the ride. So hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so you get notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Before we dig deeper into how the real estate market is, one piece of advice that I would really like to give is that please crunch your numbers of what you can afford realistically, as the mortgage rates are expected to rise. Home ownership is a long-term commitment and you do not want to be stressed out. At the end of the day, your realtor or your mortgage broker is not coming for your rescue. I got a call from someone the other day who has already purchased a new home. The home they currently own has been on the market for more than a month and is not selling at the price they were expecting it to sell. Now they won't be able to close on the new property as they can't come up with that gap between two houses. This is not a pleasant situation, so please buy only what you can afford without losing your sleep, not what our broker can get you approved for. Toronto home prices declined for the second straight month as higher borrowing costs started to bite in what has been one of the world's hottest real estate markets. The average price of a home in Canada's largest city declined 6.4% in April from the month before on a seasonally adjusted basis to $1.2 million according to the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board. That was the biggest monthly drop since 2020 when the market was largely frozen because of COVID-19 lockdowns. Buyers slammed on the brakes last month. The number of houses sold in Toronto declined 26% in April compared with March. TREB reported 8,008 homes sold through MLS system in April 2022, a 41.2% decrease compared to April 2021 and a 27% decrease compared to March 2022. On a yearly-over-yearly basis, the decline in sales was greater in the 905 area code region surrounding Toronto, particularly for detached homes. The MLS Home Prices Index composite benchmark was up by 30.6% year-over-year in April 2022. The benchmark level in April was down in comparison to the March level. The average selling price at $1,254,436 was up by 15% compared to April 2021, but down compared to the average selling price of $1,300,082 in March 2022. Despite slower sales, market conditions remain tight enough to support higher selling prices compared to last year. However, in line with TREB's forecast, there is evidence of buyers responding to increased choice in the marketplace, with the average and benchmark prices dipping month over month. It is anticipated that there will be enough competition between buyers to support continued price growth relative to 2021, but the annual pace of growth will moderate in the coming months. The next interest rate announcement by Bank of Canada is on June 1st, and the chances are that the Bank of Canada is going to increase the interest rate by 50 basis points once again. This is not only going to be hard for the people that have variable rate mortgage, it is also going to be really hard for people that are trying to get into the real estate market as their buying power will decrease. Nobody has the crystal ball to say how the real estate market is going to be. But looking at the facts and the figures, though the immigration numbers are still very high, but looking at the inflation and all other factors, the chances are the prices will drop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join me next week. Until then, stay happy and stay safe.